It's respawning. Let's go. My almighty tree.
What?
I guess I'm the top. Wait, what? What the fuck?
What was that?
Wait a minute.
I heard it.
That's not fair.
Life isn't fair.
That's fucked up. I had a whole ass defuse.
Mitch T.
Why don't you go fucking tee some balls? Wait, how does that work?
I don't
I
fucking
say that
know.
and then I don't. I'm trying to figure out how the fuck that works myself now too. How the hell do you tee ball?
Just go to the ball and go tee. They said go tee a ball.
Hold on. I got this. I
I
said,
said
why
what?
don't you go tee some balls?
You stopped like at balls.
I said, why don't you go tee some balls? Oh,
You wanted me to come tee your balls. You could have just asked nicely.
that's crazy.
Mitch said, "Alright, bet, bitch."
Okay, but tell me, what is a
Match
tee
found.
to the balls?
What
I need
is
to
a
know now.
tee?
Yeah, what's a tee and why to the balls? I said it
It's-
and then I don't even know what the fuck
A tee-
it could even mean.
Alright, Mitch, who am I
Tee
playing?
is literally just me going, tee.
They have no idea
Yeah.
how hard this I am.
Motherfucker. You dirty, rotten whore.
I've been called worse.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say some
Was it
fucked up
embedded?
shit.
Was it
I was gonna say some fucked up shit.
It's like, I've been called worse. In bed or not?
No, because usually people say that shit and they like say, I'm like, I've been called worse. Yeah, like what? Your ex.
Oof. Oh. That's fine. How many times can I blind us?
Oh, you're a
Anybody taking
bitch.
bets?
You're a bitch.
All of the time.
You're a bitch.
I did it one time on purpose at the very end of a round after we'd won. And they were like, what the fuck? And I was like, what? And you till.
I guess I should play Phoenix next time then. He's a duelist, right?
Mhm.
Spam.
I want to get a
Spam
5
banners.
stack next time for like a Valorant thing, and then just do the funny haha team comms of like, oh, it's all duelists, all this, and then like do a theme of like, oh, it's only
It's all
flashes,
blinds.
yeah,
Yeah,
like
just
all blinds, all
I did-
smokes.
And you
I
all
did that
toss it
on
into one like
accident.
mid, and you just make somebody fucking cry.
I did that on accident like a week or two ago with all Sentinels.
Oh, Bot for Latinas again, Lightning Boy again, Thunderstruck is new, Furry Jake is new, and Breach.
No,
Interesting.
Furry Jake was on our
I was
team
gonna
last
say,
game.
we've seen Furry Jake.
Yeah, he was on
And
our
what if
team.
that's the
And then-
same Breach that was on our team last round?
Could be.
And then he's about to be cracked
He'll
out of his
be
fucking mind.
he'll be AFK like half the round and still get
Spike
fucking
rush.
almost all the kills.
I'll be real, I haven't played Reyna in quite some time, so this is gonna be interesting.
You like my dog?
Hey, look, it's me. I'm a dog.
Damn.
I got that dog in me.
There. Cutting their vision.
Damn. Everybody's just out for blood, and I'm just like, I should probably plant the spike.
Fucking ISOs.
Gotta go.
Little cringe lord gamers.
There. Reloading. Reloading. Target spotted B. Target spotted B. I'm out of here.
They're all just bum
And I can't
rushing.
get away. It's fine.
Last
Thought I had
player
ammunition. I don't. It's fine, Mom.
It's okay. They're not gonna win.
They get their one. They get their
Everyone
one.
give Sage a break. Crying over every bruise. I'm here.
Under one.
You can bother me.
Why is it always shotguns? I'm shooting about the judges next. If we get the judge next, I'm gonna fucking cry. Shorty and the Bucky and the judge.
Take this.
I hate it when I get stuck in that shit and I can't even move.
Light planted. Barrier created. Here. Nice try. Here. Kill. My ult's ready. Healing you.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Sage, I believe in you. Yeah, he can't get it. It's too late. Oh, another bomb win.
Let's go.
Last round in the half.
Oh, I
We
love
won
that.
because we were
I know. I heard that.